So number 21 wants you to find all of the possible rational roots. So it doesn't actually want you to find what is x, but just tell them kind of what are the options. So how the rational root theorem works is that you take your polynomial, and what we've kind of been doing is testing different numbers using synthetic division. But you kind of need somewhere to start with. I'm not just going to pick every random number and have to go through and test them all. So the rational root theorem helps you narrow it down. So what it does is it says you write all the factors of the first number divided by all the factors of the sorry, I think I said it backwards. All the factors of the last number divided by all the factors of the first number. So what are the factors for -2? I get -2 times a +1, or a -2 times a -1, or a +2 times a -1, or a +2 times a +1. Those are all the things I can multiply together to get -2. So let's eliminate the doubles. So essentially we're doing -2, +1, +2, and -1. Don't need to write them twice. So those are my factors for -2, and I'm going to divide them by all the factors for the first number. Now in this case I got lucky, it's just a 1. So the factors for 1 are just 1 and positive or a -1. So these essentially aren't going to change at all. It's going to be divided by 1, it's still going to be itself. And then if I divide them by a -1, you're still going to get +2, -1, -2, and +1. So to figure out the possible roots, take the factors for the last number, divide them by the factors for the first number, and those are, the options. Now, if they told me to actually find the roots, I would do synthetic division with these 4 numbers to see which one is actually a root. And that's all there is to it for this one.